Hey guys, it's Tajay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN unboxing. I'm actually being very brave because I have the wings of a mighty eagle. And I'm wearing my arms out. You know, I'm really trying to embrace myself, but go to the gym as well. So I not have one box, but I have, I have
Tengo problemas para conectar.
annoying speaker. I have this big box here, and then I have this bag. So I had to have two separate parcels. So if you know me, you know I have a shopping addiction. That's why I got into real estate, because I need more money for my lifestyle. And I think this is everything that I'm gonna need for right now. I got some like stuff going into the summer. I got some more like regular t-shirts just to wear. I got some shoes. I just got so much stuff. Shout out to Afterpay. Anybody wants a treadmill? Please, someone take this treadmill. So first of all, I'm on my girl time, and I really don't feel like putting on clothes. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing, and then I'll have the photos here of what I purchased and how much they were. Okay, so I'll just put the price.
Tengo problemas para conectarme a internet.
Okay, my speaker is voice activated, and I don't know how to turn that off, and I don't know how to change her from Spanish. Great. All right, so let's just go ahead and get into this. Again, I'm on my girl time, and I really don't feel like putting on clothes. I don't feel like getting too hot. I'm actually really bloated. So yeah, let's just get into the video. In this bag, it should be like 2 or 3 things in here, and then like 20 things in the box. Let's see. I just realized SHEIN is like SHEIN. Like, what is SHEIN? Like, that is so dumb to me. This cardigan was so cute, and I bought it because I recently went out for Sunday Fun Day, and I didn't want to do too much, so I just threw on like a jumpsuit, a full body jumpsuit, and a sweater. And I was like, oh my God, this was actually really cute. It looked really like conservative, but like high maintenance at the same time. It was so comfortable, but once it was time to go to the bathroom, that was another story. But yes, I really like the brown buttons on here. I just really love this. I actually cannot wait to wear it. I might wear it tomorrow. I think I'm doing Sunday Fun Day again tomorrow. I have this dress in brown, and I loved it. I actually wore it on my birthday this year. I turned 28 back in January. And once I saw how much I loved it on, I was like, I should get it in black. It's this beautiful leather black dress. I got it in a size large. I'm 5'1", and I weigh X amount of pounds. But if we have the same body type, then I'll share you guys. I normally get everything in a large, basically. The cardigan was a large because I wanted it to be like super oversized. And I could probably start wearing things in a medium, but I'm not really quite there yet. But I'm definitely working on like getting to know my new curves and all that good stuff. I'm opening the box now. I will also link everything below in the description box so that you guys can just follow the link directly. This isn't a paid or sponsored video, SHEIN. If you're watching, I should be paid and sponsored. But so yeah, I don't have a discount code or anything like that, unfortunately, but they have many discount codes on there. But you know, if anyone is from SHEIN's you know, team, wanna first of all let me know how to pronounce your company and then sponsor your girl. I really don't know. I really don't remember what this is. Oh, just a regular t-shirt. I have some really boring items in here. I really like just regular shirts. I have a work from home job as well, and sometimes they make us turn our cameras on. So, you know, I'll have just on some regular shirts, or if I just want to go out to the store, go to the movies, I'll just have me a regular shirt. Oh, okay, this isn't gonna be good to show you like this, so I'll just have a picture. It looks just like a regular scarf here, so I'm really not too sure how I'm gonna put this on, but this is actually a t-shirt. I didn't know it was like this. So you basically do this, and if I knew that, I would have just bought me a scarf and did it myself, and then you tie it around here. But honestly, I am really excited. If I stand up, I wonder if you guys can see. You get the gist. I will just have the pictures here. I can't believe this is literally 2 scarves that they're selling. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Actually, wool graphic crew neck. I actually work out in these. So yeah, that's another reason why I bought the t-shirt, because I got a new gym membership and I now have a personal trainer. And yeah, I just got some stuff to work out in. I have like loads of shorts, but I don't have like just shirts to wear to the gym, you know? So now I have cute, regular gym clothes. What is this? I think this is, oh, these are pants. Oh, these are, okay, so these are some Rouge Leggings. I got these in a size medium. Those oversized shirts were in a size large. But I actually got some, I don't think these, I wonder if these are the work pants or the leggings. I think these are just the leggings. I'm not too sure, but I ordered some gray Rouge Leggings a couple of weeks ago, and I wore them out on a little date, and I just felt so cute. My butt looked good. They look so cute with my tennis shoes. I think I have some Huaraches, and I just like, dang, okay, like let me get me some more of these Rouge Leggings. They were just the cutest little, you know, clothing items. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited for these. I got these in a size large. They are like some pleather pants, but the pants have like this lace detailing on it. And then I really like the bottom because they open up. I actually have like, I think I spoke in one of my last videos, like this cute little milestone video that I'm working on, this really big production video that I'm working on for real estate, and these are my pants that I'm gonna wear, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna be wearing all black. I'm gonna be looking a little more edgier, but you know, my style, it goes from like super peppy to like really edgy. There's really no in between. This is a real estate shirt. I actually buy like all of my real estate clothes from SHEIN. Ooh. So if you guys would like for me to do like a try on haul with like all my real estate clothes, let me know. I would love to do that actually. But this shirt I have in a size large, and since we're getting into like a more like warmer season, but it's still chilly, I really like this lace detail. So, you know, I'm really trying to get into showing my arms off a little bit more, but it's black, so it's still slimming. But yeah, I really like this, and I actually love that it's a full length shirt. Like, I'm so tired of those shirts that like cut off, because your girl got a bit of a fupa and I need a full length shirt. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is the shirt. This is a shirt that I'm going to pair with my my pants for my interview. So it's a little sexy but modest at the same time. So yeah, you have this mesh material going on at the top, so it'll go up to my neck, but the boobs will be sitting high and pretty. So I'll still have some cleavage, but it'll still be classy at the same time, and you still have this mesh arm detail going on here with some nice silver jewelry. Like, we're just gonna look really cute, really fashionable, really classy, but sexy at the same time. Okay, so I got some more work pants, but they're like rouging plaid work pants, which I think were really fun. Oh, these are a bit see-through. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see through this a little bit, so I hope that's gonna be okay. They are ruched at the bottom. I wasn't expecting them to be so thin. Yeah, all of the, can you see? I don't know if y'all can see, but I can definitely see y'all through here. And the way my butt is set up, it's gonna stretch. And yeah, black undies with this for sure. But no, I really like the color. I think it goes well with my skin tone. Not too sure what shirt I'll wear, maybe the black one. I don't know, we'll just have to pair it up and see. Okay, so I got some dresses. Oh, this isn't a dress. It's a jumpsuit. Like I said before, I've been obsessed with jumpsuits right now. So I have this nude jumpsuit, and honestly, I'll most likely pair it with my cardigan. Maybe tomorrow when I do Sunday Fun Day, and maybe my new shoes. I don't know, maybe heels. I don't know if I'll do heels or if I'll do tennis shoes. I don't know. But really, going out to places where everybody else is wearing heels and I'm kind of like chilling in tennis shoes, I feel a little more like, yeah, I don't have to wear heels because I'm not, you know, but whatever. Maybe I'm trying too hard, I don't know. But this is a size large, but yeah, that's a real cute jumpsuit. Oh, just so I have this regular, it's like salmon color work top for work. Like I said, it's getting more warm outside, so I have loads of pants. I have so many pants, so many jeans, but I don't have that many tops to get ready for, you know, the summertime for work. So yeah, this is gonna go real well with my skin tone. Okay, this is a dress. Okay, nice. So we have a dress here in this really almost burnt, almost mustard orange color. It is over like knee length. It will go down over my knee. Look how thick I am. That's crazy. But it is ruching on the side. So I feel like this will be real cute for a date. You know, if those still exist, if men still take women out on those. But yeah, I'm really excited to wear that. Another jumpsuit. I got a couple of jumpsuits. Again, I just felt so cute that day. So I was like, oh, let me get some more jumpsuits. I think I only have that one. But I have this in gray. Got in a size large. Nothing too fancy. But yeah, just another jumpsuit. Really kind of more a lot of basic items. Nothing too major today. That's why I just wanted to do an unboxing because it is a lot. So might as well get some content. Oh, I'm actually really excited to wear this dress. So we have this mint teal green color going on. It is another full length dress. Well, it looks like it's gonna go right to my like calf area, a couple of inches below the knee, maybe about 5 or 4 inches below my knee. Since I am really short, I don't like wearing short dresses. I don't know why. If anybody else has that problem, let me know, but I don't like dresses above my knee. I really don't. But yeah, I'm really excited to wear this. Again, the summer's coming up, so I just wanted to get some stuff now because waiting till summer to get stuff is a little more pricier. So to buy them in like the winter is a really good idea. Oh my God. So it was actually two other dresses that I really wanted, but one of them was sold out. And as soon as I saw that one get sold out, I went ahead and just ordered my cart. Because I really wanted that dress and this one. So yes, so here is another dress. Okay, I may not be able to just open it. Okay, yeah, here we go. It is a strapless dress, and this detail, like this print is just so cute. It's just so me. It's just so everything. You can see it here on the model, and then the back is so cute. So your back is out. Oh, actually, this goes in the front. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. I think this goes in the front and your boobs go in this, I think. We'll see on the model. But yeah, if so, and then it's kind of open right here. So we're gonna have to drink lots of water that day. Okay, cool. That was it for that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes. I just got these shoes are just regular shoes. I needed some more sandals. I've ruined all of my sandals. Just some sandals just to wear to the store or whatever. But this is like one of my favorite colors. Blue is close to my favorite color, which is Carolina blue. That's so funny. So I wear size 6, and I guess in these ones it's a 36. But yeah, these are really cute, and they smell like warehouse, like paint. Just some shoes just to slide on and wear. So I really love these. These are like the old like Jesus sandals, but I got this color. I've been needing another pair. The pair I have are actually not even mine. They're my best friend's, and I haven't given them back to her. You guys, I just changed my foundation, and this really matches me so well. The other one, sorry, I'm really looking at myself because my foundation looks so good. But yeah, sorry about that. I really took a leap of faith with going with another foundation because my other one, it was my color, but it was like too much of a red orange undertone, and I was like, okay, you know, that's another video. If you guys want me to make a video, let me know. But I'm really happy that I changed because it just matches me to the T. Y'all know how it is. It's hard to find a foundation that really matches you. But yeah, I will say if your face is a little bit darker than your body, go with something a little lighter. Cause it's like once I go out, my makeup sets and it turns red all the time. So I had to get one with a yellow undertone, which I thought it was gonna make me look really ashy, but it looks really good. But yeah, sorry about that. Jesus sandals. I think I have some more. I have some more just regular slide-ons just to wear out to the store or something like that. I actually love sandals. I love like sandals and gladiators and stuff like that. I'm flat-footed, so I don't wear heels that often, and when I do, I think these are the heels that I can show you that I can wear. Oh, these are a little different than I expected. I got these because I recently bought some white ones, but they're leather. Like the fabric on here is like suede, so I really wasn't expecting that. They're so cute. I just wanted a black version of the other ones, but I wasn't aware that they were leather. I'm not too happy about that because, you know, it is what it is. But excuse me. But yeah, so, but again, since I'm flat-footed, this is really the only shoe that I can wear and enjoy are some block heels that aren't too big. And yeah, so if you're like me, these are really comfortable. I can really wear them all day. And then last but not least, actually my favorite, the shoes I've been waiting for are these platform faux Converses. Look how little they look. Again, I wear a size 6, so my foot is just a little baby, but I used to have like so many pair of Converses, all color of them, like the ones with the 2 tongues, and they used to have like all different colors. So whenever I started seeing people wear these, I'm like, oh my god, these are so cute. And then I happened to see them on SHEIN. I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. So yeah, I really can't wait to wear these. Again, I would like literally pair them with that jumpsuit. I think that would be so cute with the cardigan. Just a cute outfit, like not trying too hard, but you know, she can dress, but she real cute. You can tell she down to earth or whatever. But yeah, that was literally everything. Let me know what you think about this video. I'll probably do another one in like 2 months because I normally splurge like every 2 to 3 months at SHEIN. Yeah, if you like this video, again, comment below your comments. Yeah, if you want me to go into more detail with the outfits, or just let me know your thoughts and if I should keep making videos like this. And again, SHEIN, if you're watching me, I need to see myself on your website by the end of the year, okay? I invest too much of my money to not be sponsored. If y'all need receipts, let me know. It was a pleasure making this video for y'all today. Again, my name is Tajay. Follow me on social media, Tajay Serene. I look forward to making you guys another video. Stay blessed.